steel houses are the future of housing industry. So let me tell you, the things are changing now. We are improving day by day. The requirements are changing now. So steel houses are many advantages from the normal conventional houses. One is time. Construction time is very less in steel houses as compared to the conventional houses. Second is money. The steel houses are economical, cheaper as compared to the conventional houses. Third is strength. Steel houses are more robust and very much efficient during earthquake. So nowadays earthquake resistant buildings are very important and desirable, and it's a requirement of the future, and steel houses are the thing which is fulfilling that earthquake resistant housing. So these three are the major, and many other advantages are also there, like space utilization and other the changing requirements. Steel houses, if you want to change something, it is very easy to change in steel houses as compared to the conventional houses. So there are many advantages, many beauty of the steel houses. New Life is a premium in that, and we are building many steel houses in India. Recently we have completed one steel houses in US. So if you are going to start your project, research on that, think about that, what type of options are available. Let me assure you, steel houses are future. And if you have any query, anything you want to clarify about steel houses, you want to understand something, you want to learn about steel houses, you can contact our team, because we are building that. You can contact us. We will be happy to explain.